All right, we're doing a real time cleaning your lenses, yellowed faded lenses, using something we're going to show you here in just a second. This is real time, folks. Start your timers. The GPS says leave the road, the compass she ain't no good. Man, we're really out here in this backwoods. Some say it's the boondocks, some say it's off
Don't
grid.
get that tree.
We're Bear and Dawn, we're
RVBMP.
This stuff really does a good job. Don't need any sandpaper, no grinders, buffers, polishers. Well, we're going to put a little coating on it afterwards. I'm going to give you a little secret how to make sure you can preserve the look. Smear it all over real good. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're using here. This is Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. You can buy that at any automotive store, Wally Worlds, wherever you want to go, they got it. Run you less than 10 bucks. All right, that's all we got on there. Now we're just going to take a shop towel or a terry cloth or a microfiber and use a little elbow grease. Just make sure you rub it up real good. That's what she said. Been a minute 20 since we started. Just rub it in real, just rub it, rub it, rub it. We didn't even tape anything off. If you get it on the paint, just don't rub your paint. Just wipe it off when you're done. This is kind of a complex light because it's just that one surface. We got like 3 or 4 different surfaces there. Starting to see it clearing up. Just gotta rub it real good. We'll get all that off there when you're done. Rub it, rub it. Look at that, it's coming back already. Man, from how yellow that was, look at that. Already. Just rub the heck out of it. That's no equipment needed, just elbow grease. And a little Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. And then let me show you, we did one right over here. Look at that. Looking good. And then what you're going to want to do, we're going to put a little 303 seal in, it's called. 303 protectant, I should say. And that's good for tires. You can use it on all kinds of stuff, the inside of your car, outside of your car. But we'll go back to this one real time. It's been less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. Look at that. Look at that light coming back. So don't get depressed. Don't get upset if your lights are dull and yellow and looking like crap. You can do this. Less than 10 bucks. You don't need a $30 kit. So check it out. Make sure you use some of that 303 protectant. I figured I better show you that. It's going to protect it from UV rays. That's what caused all that in the first place. So once we put that on, that's how I'm going to get them shining more. They're looking real good though. Less than 3 minutes on each side to get them like that. That brings them right back. Wow, what a change. We hope this works for y'all, like I said. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out. Man, that's looking good. Whew, what a difference. What a difference. We appreciate it. I'm the Bear.
I'm Dawn.
And we are RVBFE. Thank y'all.
Toodaloo.